Willow Pink. Give a thumbs up and subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to the Willow Pink channel. Today I am doing the 3 marker challenge. So let's get started. All we're going to do is I'm going to close my eyes, my mum's going to mix them up, and then I'm going to pick 3 colours. Imagine I got these ones, I would have to draw something. So let's go, Mum. I close my eyes and I'll mix them up. Thank you. You just put it down. Wait, I'll put it here so they can see. Okay. This one. This one. And this one. Okay. Oh, I could do kind of like a summary picture with yellow, pink, and purple. Kind of. So I'm probably gonna draw. What do you think I should draw? I don't know. Okay, so I decided what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a fairy. And also, if you don't know, I got this from my mum. And also make sure you type up on YouTube all over the page to go to my mum's channel. She'll teach you how to do drawing, fairies, mermaids, what else? Bunnies. Monsters. Chicks. So. Unicorns. Oh, and you also should subscribe and like her videos. Because she's a good mum. Oh, and also, if you notice, my mum dyed my hair pink at the front. And also, I might not be doing any videos tomorrow, Thursday or Friday, because I'm going on a holiday to Mollymook. So I hope that's good, so I can pack my swimmers, go to the beach every morning, probably. And if you're going on holiday to the coast or something, I hope you're having a good day. Let's get drawing. Okay, so I got my 3 colours here, yellow, pink, and purple. Just putting them down here. Then I have my black Sharpie. And I'm gonna draw the face of my fairy first. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with the head, and then the hair, and then the body, and then we're gonna start colouring in with my 3 colours. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with doing a circle. And then for the eyes, you can do that, kind of like that, and then out, and then you can do this, so she's kind of like looking up in the corner. And then if you want, you can add some eyelashes like that. Now I'm going to do the same with the other side. Okay, now we have eyes done. Now for the nose, I'm going to do a simple little kind of like curve like that, and then kind of like that. There. And then for the mouth, we're just going to do kind of that, and then we're going to go over, then a line. And then I'm gonna do some lines for the hair. I'm not so good at doing hair, so yeah. Just like that, that's kind of easy. I don't really care if this side is longer and this side isn't really, because it kind of makes it look good. And then what you can do is you can kind of do a little thing like that. Then you can keep doing it. That. Anyway, it doesn't really matter how yours looks. It'll look perfect anyway. That's all I know. All I know is that it'll look better than mine. Okay, then we're going to do a neck. Like that, and then I'm gonna kind of do for her shirt some little wavy things at the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to do a hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. And then we're going to do the same with the other side. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And then we're going to come kind of like do that and then that. We're going to come down. A little swavy and make one straight thing like that for the belt. Like that. Like that. Ooh, one important thing, the wings. Just do a big sideward love heart, like that. And now I'm going to start coloring with my 3 colors. So they're going to be on this page. And I'm going to start with purple. Maybe I should do her skirt purple. And I think I'm going to do the top yellow. And this yellow, it's not really what I was expecting. It's actually more, the color is more pretty than what I thought. like that. And now for the pink, maybe I could do that. What? The lid just flung off. That was weird. And so I can give you some time, I'm gonna go to get the lid and you can kind of color it your own. Okay, got the lid. If I didn't give you enough time, you can just pause this video and start doing it and then unpause it when you're ready. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna color the hair pink and purple. So first I'm gonna do this bit purple. And then pink. And then this one starting with pink. And then purple. Pink. Purple. Purple. Pink. Purple. Pink. Rock! Stop! Sorry about that, that was just my dog. And then purple. It's funny. Pink. Purple. Pink. Purple. Pink. Pink. Purple. Purple. Perfect. Now I think I'm gonna color the eyes, maybe purple. She has purple eyes. It kind of looks weird, but I kind of like it anyway. Wait, to make it look a little bit more, I'm gonna put one in the bottom corner too. That's cute. Like that. Okay, but there's one more thing I'm missing to color the wings. So what I'm gonna do is maybe color one yellow and the other purple. Actually, I haven't used yellow and pink together today, so I'm gonna use these two. So first I'm gonna color this one pink. Just like that. And then I'm gonna color this one purple. Okay. Anyway, I hope you liked watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. And also, just to remind you again, maybe you should check check out my mum's YouTube channel and search it up on YouTube all over the page. So I hope you liked this video. Bye!